We'll guide you through how to make a cactus farm in Minecraft. First of all, you need to make 11 by 11 square. Then what you need to do is place a water bucket in each corner. The center block should then be left. Now what you want to do is break that and break 2 more down like so. You can then dig a small area out here as this is where the cactus is going to be. Also go and create an exit, make sure you go far enough. What you can then do is place 2 hoppers just like so. Now what you need to do is start adding sand. Start in one corner and leave 1 block each side like so. It will look something like this and start adding cactuses. Now you need some fence, and what you need to do is start placing it along like so. It will look something like this. Now what you need to do is break the fence which is on the actual cactus and just leave the fence post in between. You can add multiple layers to this farm, so you can come to each corner and stack up another 3 blocks. And you can then start filling in the walls with glass or another block. You can add in some lighting by using glowstone or torches. And then what you can do is start adding the next layer with slabs, and you can just go and repeat this build. Now when I check the chest, we've got some cactus.